how did you like the event so far?
Yeah, it was really great. Many interesting people, many interesting discussions.
It's impressive how many teams are here and the quality of the talks and the motivation of the students. It's really overwhelming.
The atmosphere, that it's very interactive.
Very nice event. Also a lot of enthusiasts for the whole topic.
You encourage that the teams share what they have done, what they are thinking.
We already had some interesting discussions, really technically sound discussions, and that's impressive for us. Yeah, really cool.